The Bhopal Literature Festival 2025 has come to a successful conclusion after 3 days filled with vibrant literary discussions, author interactions, and cultural celebrations. The event began with a star-studded inauguration and ended with a grand closing ceremony, leaving a lasting impression on literature lovers, authors, and participants. The final day witnessed the recognition of outstanding authors and key contributors to the literary world, celebrating their exceptional work and influence.
I want to congratulate Raghav Chandra ji and the entire team of Bhopal Literature Festival, all the authors, the great authors who came and who shared their journeys, their visions, their creative expression with all of you.
Throughout the festival, attendees had the unique opportunity to engage with some of India's most celebrated writers and thinkers. Discussions covered a wide range of topics, from the future of the Indian literature to the role of digital platforms in promoting literary works. Writers shared their experiences, challenges, and the evolving landscape of literature, offering valuable insights for budding authors and literary enthusiasts.
भोपाल लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल में अच्छी बात यह है कि इसमें वैरायटी बहुत है। आपको सिर्फ लिटरेचर से जुड़ी बातों के अलावा उसके जो आसपास के सब्जेक्ट हैं, लाइक रिलेटेड टू आर्ट, माइथोलॉजी, काफ़ी हद तक हमारे आर्मी रिलेटेड मैटर, डिफेंस एक्सेट्रा, तो और ट्रैवलिंग वगैरह, तो काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा है जो उन्होंने होलसम एक कॉमिक बना के उसके अंदर सारा कुछ कवर अप कर दिया है, तो हर एक के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है।
The festival also provided a platform for emerging writers, encouraging dialogue between young authors and established figures. The book exhibition attracted readers and offered a chance to discover diverse literary works. A special highlight was the Tribal Art Fair, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of India's indigenous communities. As the event concluded, it left a sense of pride in Indian literature and set the stage for future editions, continuing the celebration of literary talent for years.
The Bhopal Literature Festival has once again celebrated the diverse voices, inspiring stories, and enriching discussions. From poetic recitals to heated debates, from book launches to emerging writers, this festival has celebrated the magic of storytelling in all its forms. Now, as we move towards the next chapter and the lights dim, we take with us memories and renewed love for literature. With Nida Sahu and Maya Khare, this is Garima Medfani, Lake City Live, Bhopal.